Well, folks, there's been a lot of recent news about remote ID, and the first one was in the last couple of days, the FAA has pushed the enforcement date for remote ID for manufacturers from September 16 all the way to December 16th. And today, the FAA released a bunch of approvals for a few drones that are now compliant with remote ID as a standard remote ID drones. A lot of them are from DJI, but there's also a Wingtra in the list. If you have a Matrice 30T or a Matrice 30, a Mavic 3, a Mavic 3 Cine, a DJI Avata, an Air 2S, a Mini 3 Pro, or a WingtraOne, the Generation 2, and then also the Microdrone MD4 and an MD4 1000, MD4 3000. All of these are now approved by the FAA to be remote ID drones. This is kind of a big deal, so we wanted to bring this to you in this very short video. At this stage, this is not the final list. There will likely be more drones approved, but this is a good first step for a lot of manufacturers out there. And we'll put a link down in the description right here so you can see for yourself where the FAA is posting that information. That's it. We'll see you guys on the next video.